Hey developers, welcome back to LTS. I am Tariq and today we are rolling up our sleeves to set up our development environment for an exciting ASP.NET Core Web application. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button and let's get started. The first step in unleashing the power of ASP.NET Core of your Sky Resort app is to make sure your development environment is all set up. We are talking about the tools you need right on your local machine. Stick with them Stick with me as we dive into the process of installing the necessary workloads. It's going to a breeze. To kick off things, we need to configure our development environment. This involves installing a few crucial tools within Visual Studio. These tools will be the backbone of building, debugging, and developing our ASP.NET Core App web application to Azure. Let's not waste any time. Let me show you how. But wait, what exactly are Visual Studio workloads? Great question. Think of them as pre-configured bundles of tools right within Visual Studio. These bundles are designed to make your life easier by grouping tools for specific types of application, languages, or platform. For our ASP.NET Core project, we are going to focus on two specific workloads. Let's take a look. Visual Studio 2022 has got us covered with two workloads that are essential for creating, publishing, and deploying our Sky Resort website to Azure. These workloads include templates for your ASP.NET Core site and the magic to connect to deploy to Azure. Exciting stuff, right? Now let's get our hands dirty. Installing Visual Studio workload is a piece of cake. We are going to use the Visual Studio installer to make it happen. Follow me. First, launch the Visual Studio installer. You can find it in your Start menu or simply type Visual Studio installer. Once it's open, hit the Modify button. Make sure to select both the ASP.NET and Web Development and Azure Development workloads under the Web and Cloud section, then hit Modify again. The installer will do its thing, downloading and installing the necessary components. Once it's done, hit launch to open Visual Studio. And there you have it, workloads added, and you only need to install them once. Easy, right? Now you are armed and ready for the ASP.NET Core adventure. Thanks for joining today's setup journey on LTS. If you have got those workloads installed, give this video a thumbs up. In the next unit, we are diving into the first exercise, creating a new ASP.NET Core app. Stay tuned and happy coding.